Welcome to my Mathcast on negative exponents. My goal is to help you better understand the concepts at hand, when you need it, and at your own pace. I hope you enjoy this Mathcast on negative exponents. An exponent is just an easy way to show how many times to multiply the base by itself. What about a negative exponent? You can't multiply something less than once, right? You know that 10 to the third power is 10 times 10 times 10, or 1,000. What about 10 to the negative third power? To find a negative power, you would put the base below 1 to make it a fraction, 1/10. And then you carry the 3 exponent, put an x to the 10, make 10 to the third power below 1. Then you evaluate the exponent, 10 times 10 times 10, and your answer would be 1/1000th, or 1 over 1,000. For this example, the numbers aren't as round as 10, but the process is the same. Put the 3 as the denominator over 1, and carry the 5, making it a positive 5. So 3 to the 5th power below 1. Now evaluate the exponent. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 243. Your answer would be 1 over 243. For this example, it probably looks like it'll take a long time to complete because you'd have to do both of these exponents, but there is a much simpler way to do it. Since the bases are the same, you can subtract the exponents. 5 to the 5th power minus 7 equals 5 to the negative second power. And then, negative exponents, you would have to do 1 over 5 to the second, which is equal to 1, 5 times 5, 1/25th. You would only divide exponents when you only subtract exponents when it's division. Right here. Division. The opposite of division is multiplication, so instead of subtracting the exponents, we can add them. Since the bases are the same, we can do -2 plus -2 gives us 2 to the negative 4th. Now, 2 to the negative 4th plus 3, positive 3, gives 2 to the negative 1. That would equal 1 over 2 to the first power, which is 1/2. Just erase it around. 1/2 would be your answer. This time the bases don't seem to be the same, but the order of operations says that you would do parentheses first. So 3 plus 2 is 5 to the 4th. And then 7 minus 2 is 5 times 5 to the 3rd. Now, because these two numbers are the same, if you did 5 times 5 to the 3rd, it would be like 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is like saying 5 to the 4th. So our new problem would be 5 to the 4th over 5 to the 4th. Then, subtracting 5 to the 4th minus 4th equals 5 to the 0th power. Any number to the 0th power equals 1. Your answer would be 1. Thank you for listening to this Mathcast on negative exponents. Please feel free to listen and learn from other Mathcasts on this channel.